Hi everyone, this is Sanjana and welcome back to my channel. This is not the usual productivity video. So for today's video, I'm going to share the days that you can actually add in your calendar for each of the month. So yes, without any further ado, let's just begin with today's video. So for the first day, what you can do is at least keep once a day in a month for your spa day / self-pampering session. Now I have already done a video of self-pampering session. I'll make sure to link it over here in case you want to check that out. So make sure in that day you pamper yourself the way you want to, the way you feel loved. So day one or one day of the month can be kept as the spa day. Another day which you can add in the next month or any of the month which you actually want is to have a social media detox. Now I know it's a bit difficult because we are someone who is a bit more addicted to the social media than other of the generation, but still at least keep one day of the month where you will have a complete detox of the social medias. You won't open any social media, and if you're someone who get very much tempted towards opening that, make sure you just log out of those social medias so that you can have a one-day detox of the month from social media. The next thing which you can do after you get fully vaccinated and you maintain social distancing and wearing mask is to at least spend one day outdoors. And here by outdoor, I don't mean that you go hang out in crowded areas or go to the malls or something like that. Outdoor spending can be simply going to the roof with your family, spending a day cooking on the roof only. So make sure you have you spend the day at least under the sky. So that is how you can have a day. It will be a kind of family picnic or friends picnic, and it will also detangle your mind to some extent, which you have been carrying due to the work pressure or the study pressure. The next thing which you can do is actually have a say dinner or lunch with your friends and check upon them.
And now these days what you can do, you can just have video call and have a meal with them. But once thing normalizes, like after people get vaccinated, once things normalizes, make sure you at least have a day for them to check upon them, so that you also feel good that yes, I'm meeting my friends after such a long time,
and they also feel good that yes, she is or he is checking upon us. So cheers to the friendship. The next thing you can do is to have a movie night or a series night, whatever you want to call it. We are not able to go out right at this point, but someday or the other, let's hope that things will get normal, and at that time we will obviously keep a movie night. Now if you want to execute it right now in the situation, what you can do
is watch a film together virtually. Suppose you are watching a series and he or she is also watching a series, so make sure you start the series at the same time, and so that
virtually also you all be together and see a movie at the same time. The next thing which you can do is at least once a month, again when things get well, you can actually have you can actually be a tourist to some place for at least one day. You can have a staycation, so make sure at least once a month you have that unwinding effect of going out, being a tourist for some time, living in a hotel, or which is basically the concept of staycation in very short. The next thing which you can do is at least dedicate one day each month to at least learn something new. Now I know there is nothing in the world which can be learned in one day, but still if we try, I think it can happen. Suppose you want to learn a dish, suppose you want to bake a cake, you want to learn to bake a cake, so make sure you do that as well, as because there is no ending of learning. And even if it is not beneficial for your career, but it is beneficial for you as a person, so make sure you do that as well. The next day or the next kind of day that you can keep in your month is at least do something which cleanses your energy. Now the whole month we know we work, we study, and there are so many things we procrastinate, which ultimately does not keep our energy very positive or very fulfilling. It happens. So make sure you dedicate one day where you will actually cleanse your energy, and that can be done through various self-care methods. I'll make sure to link a video over here if I find. So yes, you can do that as well, as because energy cleansing is nothing but making you feel loved, making you feel good, and at the end of the day, at the end of the actually process, what you can have is a fresh mind and a positive vibe, which is the whole motive of having a self-care or self-pampering session. So make sure you do that as well. So yes, that was it for today's video. I hope you all liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button and also the bell icon right beside it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, good vibes to you and your family. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay positive, and please get vaccinated and help the nation to get back to normal. Bye bye.